Hello, hello, hello again. Hope everybody is having a great week. I'm bringing you my dinner tonight, which is meatloaf with white rice and a salad. And these are cranberries. So the recipe for this meatloaf, okay, I used 2.4 pounds of meatloaf. Of hamburger meat. I seasoned it with my Himalayan sea salt, adobo, and black pepper. I added 2 eggs, a cup and a half of bread crumbs, a cup and a half of milk, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I mixed it all up and I molded it the way I wanted it to be. Then the sauce that you put on top of the meatloaf, once you get it in your pan, you mold it to how you want it to, how big or small you want it to be. It's 3 ingredients. It's ketchup, brown sugar, and mustard. So basically you use, depending on how big your meatloaf is, I had a big one. I didn't even count how much ketchup I used, probably about a cup. 3 tablespoons of mustard, and probably about, I don't know, a fourth of a cup of brown sugar. And I poured it all over my meatloaf. So I was able to get the whole meatloaf with it. I baked it on 350 for about an hour, give or take. I'm not 100% sure. And this is what you got. I cut up some onions and shallots as well in here. And I added that all in. And then you bake it on 350. You know, to have it whenever you think it's done. And so that is my meatloaf recipe. And some people may think it's weird that you use milk, but it tastes good. I had a friend come one year, she said, "What you doing with that milk?" I said, "It's part of the recipe." She was like, "I ain't never heard of that one," but she tore it up. She said, "This is good, but I ain't never heard of putting milk in meatloaf," but yeah. So all you need is your hamburger meat, milk, a cup of milk, a cup and a half. If you got about 1.5 pounds of hamburger meat, you use 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of breadcrumbs. If you got more than 1.5 pounds, like 2 pounds or more, use 1.5 cups to 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 1.5 cups of milk, 2 eggs, 1 egg if it's just 1.5 pounds or a pound, and 2 eggs if it's more. And you know, put your onions, peppers, whatever you want to put in there. Mix it all up, put it in your pan, mold it, and pour your sauce over it, which is ketchup, mustard, and brown sugar. Mix it up. Put it in the oven on 350, 375, depending on how fast or slow your oven cook. And there you have it. Delicious. Give y'all another scan. This is the salad dressing I'm using. I love these yogurt salad dressings, and also they taste good, but they're also low in calories, so you don't feel guilty, you know, for people that watching their weight, or it's only 1.5 grams of fat in this salad dressing. I actually like this brand. 2 grams of carbs, not a lot of sugar. It's less than a gram of sugar, only 30 calories per serving. 2 tablespoons is per serving. So they have a lot of different flavors in this particular salad dressing, and it's really good. It's not nasty. So thank y'all for watching. Give me that thumbs up. I thank y'all for supporting me and my channel. And leave your comments below. Peace.